Today, we will learn about variables and learn 4 basic data types. A variable is simply a named reference to a data value. For example, I could have an age variable that references the value 3. Let's learn 4 fundamental data types which will help us utilize variables. First, we have the int data type. All integers are of this type. Next, we have the float data type. These are numbers with decimal points. You can remember this by imagining the numbers after the decimal point floating over it. The bool data type stores the values for true and false. It is a binary data type, meaning it has 2 possible values. We also have string data. Strings are text data. If we would like to place text in our program, we will call it a string literal. You can place them in double quotes or triple double quotes. You can place them in apostrophes too. Triple apostrophes will also suffice. We can use the assignment operator to assign a variable to an expression. An expression is any code resulting in a value. For example, I could have an age variable that references the value 1000. As you can see, the variables age and name have been assigned with the assignment operator. When you print out variables, their values will be printed. Notice the print function can take multiple arguments. Each argument is separated by a comma. Each argument is printed on one line with a space in between them. Notice that a variable is merely a reference to data. We can update it to any other values of any other types at any time we wish. Notice at the bottom I am printing out Boolean data. The value is true, because I am a 1000-year-old computer assistant. Variable names can consist of letters, digits, and underscores, but they cannot start with a digit. Underscores are often used between words in the variable name for readability. People may also use camelCase where each word in the variable except for the first word is capitalized for readability. Please make descriptive variable names that indicate the data it is referencing. Thanks ever so much for watching. Check out the playlist in the description for more Python videos.